Hello everybody, my name is Natalie Davis. I'm a senior debater who started debating 4 years ago. Today we want to explain to you the structure of junior debating. How does this work? Our students will demonstrate a full debate for you. Well, not a full debate, a real debate takes about 25 minutes. We do here a short version of it. Hope you will get a good idea about how it works. Firstly, we need two debate groups. This is one debate group and this is the other. Now, of course, we need a debate topic. Our debate topic today is, should tablet computers replace all textbooks at school? This team says, yes, tablet computers should replace textbooks at school. And this team says, no, tablet computers should not replace textbooks at school. Let me first explain how it goes. The debate has different stages. Stage 1, it's the open speech. Stage 2, it's the debate itself. Stage 3 is the consultation break. And stage 4 is the debating itself again. And stage 5, it's the closing speech. Now, something very important. You see on each side there are 3 speaker stands and not only 2. This is because this third additional empty stand is for the team members who are not debating at the moment, that can go at any time and help their teammates with an argument. Now, enough explained, we need to see debating. Debaters, are you ready?
Yes.
Yes.
Welcome to our debate. Our debate topic today is, should tablet computers replace all textbooks at school? We have two teams who are well prepared. One that says, yes, tablet computers should replace textbooks at school, and one that say, no, tablet computers should not replace textbooks at school. I ask now the opening speaker of the yes team to give their opening statement.
Hello everybody, my name is George Nassar and my teammates are Joel and Muhammad, and we are debating on the topic, should tablets replace all textbooks at school, and we are on the yes side. We hope we have a great debate.
Now let's hear the opening speech of the no team.
Hello everyone, today me, Muhammad, and Dilas, Ahmed and Maria are going to speak about an important topic that says, should tablets replace textbooks, and we are with the no sides and hope to have a good debate.
Now 2 speakers from each team, please come to the speaker stands. But firstly, let me remind you of the debate rules. No interruptions, respect the others, and the teams take turns. Let's start.
Our team is, yes, tablets should replace textbooks. My first argument is, with tablets, kids can learn faster. For example, using animation helps kids learn faster.
I see your point of view and I respect it. But I think that print textbooks is better than tablets because usually students who read print textbooks learn more, comprehend more, and remember more. So the brain interprets reading print textbooks differently from reading tablets or on a tablet. So you read 20 to 30% slower on a tablet.
Even if the students read digital text 20% slower, doesn't make a big difference learning.
No, tablets shouldn't replace textbooks at schools. Let me start with the first argument about tablets easily break. On the school day, the devices may be broken, stolen, or lost because its size is small compared to the size of the book.
Tablets are expensive to buy, but you only buy it once in a while books should be bought every year for a new version.
Well, you have a point, but schools should save money. The money they would spend for tablets, they could use for improving school and improving the skills for the students by opening active rooms, labs, libraries, and active rooms.
Instead of looking in a book for information and flipping the papers, you can Google it or even research it on your tablets instead.
We see your point, but students should look at the teacher, not all the time at the tablet. This is distracting because smart devices contains many things that can be distracting for students. And some of them will look at the devices and gives their attention and focus to the devices. And this will annoy the teacher.
Well, I see your point, but school can program the tablets to have a button, for example, for the teacher on her desk. So if she needs the student's attention, she can just click the button and the tablets can show the students that they should show the attention to the teacher instead of the tablets.
Using tablets is much more expensive than using print textbooks. For implementing tablets in schools, you need to buy the hardware, the tablet, and the software, the textbooks. You need a new Wi-Fi infrastructure for the school, and you need to train the teachers and the administrators to use this technology. So in an average high school, using tablets is 552% higher than using print textbooks.
It is right. It is a big investment for the school, but this is only for the beginning. When the investment is done, it will be no more costly.
I see your point of view and I respect it. But new devices and much more new devices in the school needs a new maintenance system. The system needs to be paid, so the school needs to hire the fees.
Now debaters, put your heads together. Now debaters, back to the speaker stands. Let's continue with our debate.
For textbooks and books, we need trees to make paper. But trees are so important to the environment. But because we are using tablets, a person themselves can save 1 to 2 trees in his lifetime.
Manufacturing one tablet is actually more dangerous than printing one textbook. So you need lots of minerals, water, and fuel that produces CO2 for making one tablet.
Well, that might be true, but in the future, tablets will be so carbon dioxide free. Why? Because companies like Apple and others are working on tablets that are recyclable and from recyclable materials, and also carbon dioxide materials like these will not be used in the future and not important as trees, because trees help us live and we need them for food, but these minerals will not be used in the future.
We really do see your point, but kids should learn to value books, because either way, it's part of our culture. Also, books is what's making you standing right here, right now.
Well, I understand your point, but kids can go to libraries in order to read. They don't have to be, the books don't have to be in schools in order to reading.
I see your point, but not everything is for technology. Technology is time-consuming for some people. For example, when fixing a bug, it is really time-consuming. But you won't. Don't worry, that won't be happening in textbooks.
Digital textbooks can be automatically updated with new information. With print textbooks, schools have to purchase a new edition with new hardware and software.
I see your point of view, but usually the updates are done on the textbooks during the scholastic year, and the new versions of the books are not published till the next scholastic year. So the textbooks will not be published till the next scholastic year on tablets, and they will print it at the same time.
Right, but digital textbooks can be automatically updated without the need to purchase the new edition.
If you have something to look for, you can just sit and open your laptop and start searching, while books should read wholly to find a specific information.
Yes, true, we respect your point, but students can cheat. It is easier to cheat using devices, where they can hack the site, enter and search for answers. And let me add something. About 20% of schools around the world prefer to use the traditional method of using books instead of using smart devices, and this makes books the best option.
Right, but now there are some applications that can lock apps. For example, if the teacher wants you to open Google, then you can't open Google.
textbooks are better than tablets because there are lots of harmful rays that are going out from the tablets, while in textbook there aren't any rays.
Well, I see your point, but that won't be happening anymore. Why? Because now tablets and other devices have special filters that companies like Apple and Samsung have made and added in the software, where it can decrease the brightness of the device and even have a reading mode and a night mode, so no rays will come and hurt your eyes.
I see your point and respect it. But our children are very precious and vulnerable. We cannot let all that go to waste just because they're using their iPads. We really should be taking care of them and their health.
Now we will hear the closing speech of the teams. The last chance to convince. The speaker of the yes team, you have the floor.
We debated now a lot and heard lots of arguments. One of our strongest arguments was with tablets we can find easy learning information. One of their strongest arguments was tablets could break easily. That could be a real problem. We hope we convinced you with our argument and that you say yes, tablets should replace textbooks at school.
Now it's time to hear the closing speech of the no team.
In conclusion, our team was on the no side, for tablets should not replace textbooks at school, for the reasons we mentioned. Now, we heard, as you saw, some pretty strong arguments from both sides, as we both found it hard to encounter. Now, I hope you're with us when we say tablets should not replace textbooks at school. Now, let's hear a clap.
Wow, you were really great debaters. Let's hear a short wrap-up how the exchange of arguments between the teams should be done.
There are 3 steps that are important in debate. Number 1, a team makes an argument, and then the other team counters exactly this argument. And then the 3rd step, the first team defends themselves with an argument from the counter-arguments of other. And then this goes on.
Yes, good job, students. You had different positions, but in spite of this, you showed that you're not enemies after all.